Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace the internal section of the popular Camec Caravan door handle. It's a fairly simple process, but there is a trick to it, and a hidden screw. So I'm going to share my tips on how to do this easily. We have the Lifestyle Campers Reconn R4 hybrid, but this lock is used on many caravans in Australia. So I hope you find this video helpful. Alright, we've had another little breakage. So a few days ago, the inside door handle just snapped right off. Not sure what happened there, but yeah, we didn't pull too hard or anything like that. It literally just pinged off, and yeah, so we've been without a handle for a while, which is not ideal. It's actually really tricky to turn with just your hands. So good old duct tape came to the rescue for a bit. So yeah, so we got in touch with Lifestyle, and very quickly they express posted us a new handle.
Thank you, Paul.
Thanks, Paul, if you're watching this. And yeah, so it's time to get this new door handle installed. Shouldn't be too hard, right? So there are actually 3 screws here. 1, 2, and the third one is hiding beneath that latch. So we need to press this button and pull it down, and there it is. Oop, something's happening. And there's the new one. Alright, so we need to make sure we pull that latch again. Needs to be aligned in the closed position. I found a little bit of a challenge here, so it won't just go on very easily, and it won't just snap straight in. And the reason being is that metal plate, that's the bit that controls the separation of the fly screen from the main door, and it's controlled by this handle. So this needs to be in this position, but it's quite stiff. And also the actual door lock has to be open for it to work. So that's the barrel of the lock, and the metal plate slides up and down only if it's unlocked. And if it's locked, it actually stops it moving up and down. So it needs to be in an unlocked position, handle out. Okay, on the other side. But it's still tricky because I can't press this metal plate down at the same time as try to put that whole thing in. There's no way to access it. So what I figured out is also this latch spins the gear here, and it actually lowers the plate when you press it in. Let's have a look. See if I plug that in and then press the top of it in. Lift the latch. And that's stuffed in. So that's all seems to be working. Just need to put those screws back in. And the final hidden one. Door fixed. All working properly. So yeah, I'm not really sure how often this happens. We probably should get a spare, just in case it happens again. If you've ever seen or heard of the inside handle like this snapping off, let us know in the comments.